dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to continue with the grammar part of your lesson 3, A Fairy with Horns, written by Ruskin Bond. All of you open page number 33 in your textbooks. See the first concept, adjectives. What are adjectives? See. Adjectives are words that give us more details about the noun in the sentence. So these adjectives will give a detailed information about the noun in the sentence. Once read these sentences. My own favorite was a little black goat. The words little and black tells us more about the goat. Yes. What are the features of the goat? It is a little goat and it is a black goat. So this is giving some information. These are adjectives. Okay. See, A. In groups, pick out some of the things visible in the classroom and use suitable adjectives to describe the nouns. For example, dusk, wooden desk. Board, blackboard. Chair, wooden chair, like this. Okay. Next, underline the adjectives in these sentences. See the first one. It was just a narrow stream. So it was just a narrow. Narrow is the adjective. It is saying about the stream. How the stream is. Okay. It was just a narrow stream. I was gazing at a couple of herons fishing in muddy water. How about the water? Water is muddy. So, here muddy is the adjective. I was gazing at a couple of herons fishing in muddy water. Third one, her thin legs took her this way and that way. How about the legs? Legs are thin. Her thin legs took her this way and that way. Fourth one, she would have sent me back to boarding school. She would have sent me back to boarding school. Fifth one, they were grandmother's favorite garden flowers. They were grandmother's favorite garden flowers. Okay. Next, adverbs of manner. You have learned that adverbs are words that tells us more about the verb. So adverbs always tells more information about the verb. Adverbs of manner tells us how an action is done. Read this sentence. The goat followed me unsteadily. This unsteadily is the adverb. Here the adverb unsteadily tells you how the goat followed the narrator. So, how the action is done. It is saying. Say the exercise. Complete these sentences with the right adverbs of manner. First one. Meera does not work hard. Meera does not work hardly. The doctor touched his elbow gently. Divya speaks French fluently. He drives too fast. She ate the chocolate cake greedily. Next, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tells us when the action is done. The goat followed me home from the mustard field one day. So one day, action, it is telling about the adverb of time. Okay, where the action is done. Here the adverb phrase one day tells us when or at what time the goat followed the narrator. See the exercise, children. Identify the adverbs of time in these sentences. So in these given sentences we have to identify the adverb of time. The children are already in the auditorium. So already in the auditorium. We should never talk to strangers. Never. We should never talk to strangers. Third one. We came back from our vacation last week. Fourth one, they saw that film yesterday. They saw that film yesterday. Next, using words. A simile makes a comparison between two things using like or as. See, I found at my side a little goat, jet black and as soft as velvet. So these are similes. Exercise A. Complete these similes. First one, as sly as a rat or fox or rabbit. As sly as a fox. Okay. This is the simile. Next, as blind as a bat. As slow as a snail. As gentle as a lamb. As strong as an ox. Next, match the words in column A with those in column B to make compound nouns. See, column A, tooth, hand, fish, arm, light, sea. Column B, tank, paste, house, chair, horse, bag. Toothpaste, handbag. These are the compound nouns. Okay, children, we are matching the compound nouns. Fish tank, armchair, lighthouse, seahorse. Toothpaste, handbag, fish tank, armchair, lighthouse, sea bag. Next, dictionary work. Alphabetical order. Many lists are arranged in alphabetical order. First, arrange the words according to the first letters of the words. These are the first letters of the words. Aunt, bank, canal, dog, fish, all these. Okay, all these words should be in alphabetical order. If the first letters of the word are the same, for example, C, the first letters of these two words are same here. Arrange words according to the second letter. So then you have to arrange the words according to the second letter. So which comes first, U or O? O comes first. In this way you have to arrange the words. Okay. If the second letters of the words are the same, use the third letter and so on. Okay. For example, sack, send, sing, suit, sunny, supper, like this. Let us do the exercise. Arrange these words in alphabetical order. They have given irrigation, accompany, aunt, nudge, nourish, brisk. So according to the first letter of the word we have to arrange. Accompany, aunt, brisk, irrigation, nourishment, nudge. Accompany, aunt, brisk, irrigation, nourishment, nudge. Okay. Listen to this video carefully, children, and you have to do all the exercises and you have to note down all the exercises in your homework books one time each. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Bye, children. Thank you.